Someone's got hiccups, honey. And someone threw up. Come on, Sammy. Oh. Daddy, help me stop these hiccups.